Hi, my name is Chris Connolly and today I'm going to show you the A natural minor scale on the bass, which is a requirement for the grades of the RGT LCM. And we're going to start on the A string. It's an A scale. It'll start on an A string and finish on an A note as well. So it's the open A, then it'll be fret 2 of the A string, and then fret 3 of the A string with my second finger, open D string, fret 2 of the D string with my first finger, fret 3 of the D string with my second finger, the open G string and finger 1 on fret 2 to finish the scale, and then back without playing that top note twice. So this is the whole scale. Okay, so today I'm using the index and middle fingers of my right hand to play the scale. Index, middle, 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 index.